Hey, what's up guys? It's your friend Fast Eddie, and today I wanted to do another quick review, and this one is the Cat Compact Track Loader, as they call it, from Bruder. I've been ordering quite a few things from Bruder here lately, and they haven't disappointed. This one here is actually not made out of metal. This is like a hard plastic, but it's still very, very nice. It's way more affordable than some of their other things. And when I say affordable, I think this was maybe 25 bucks or something like that. So it was pretty cheap compared to the other things that usually range between the $80 and $100. So this is cool. It's a great size. This is 1/16, which is pretty large. It's actually bigger than the 1/18 scale model cars that I collect. But I want to do a nice little background with this and have this as part of a nice little construction set that I want to build. Take a quick look around. Obviously the arm is functional, and so is the bucket. It's very nice, very good detail. The seat inside even says Cat on it. Now this does not have like a swing open door or glass front or anything like that. The lights are kinda you can see where they're supposed to be, but obviously there's no plastic or reflecting lights or anything like that in it. But we'll keep going around here. But you can see they really went all in with the Cat logo, so I'm sure they paid a decent price for that. The tracks here are actual real rubber, as you can see, and obviously the wheels turn, the tracks turn, which is really cool. Now you can get a pretty good size of this with my big gorilla meaty hands here, but it's pretty large and it's nice. It's going to make a really cool looking construction set. Once again, they went really big on the Cat decals. Here is the radiator top, I guess would be. Not too sure what this is, but I'm not too familiar with construction vehicles. But yeah, it's a very nice set. And like I said, the arm does swing up and down. It doesn't lock into position though. It will go all the way up. But like I said, it does not lock, which kind of sucks, but that's alright. And then you'll see here the bucket, once the arm is up in the air, it can swing up and down a little bit, or I can be a total liar and it doesn't move at all. I don't know. Okie dokie then. Anyway, there it is, guys. It did come in a cardboard box, which is not the most appealing box though. It was basically just a bright yellow box with some of the stuff on the background. I can show you that real quick. Let's see if I can get it in the shot here. Nope. Cool. And this would be a fail. There's the rest of the box, made by Bruder, as you can see. Here's some more of the offerings that they have, I guess, in the background. Wow, this is completely lousy. Alrighty then. That was sharp. Thanks, Ed, for that great detail. Anyway, there it is, guys. There is the 1/16. I still call them skid loaders, but they call this a compact track loader. So there it is from Bruder, 1/16 model. What is cool though, guys, you can add, like, they make people for them, and you can sit the people right inside as well, which I will be getting some of those very shortly. And I will be getting some more of the vehicles in this construction lineup. So stay tuned if you guys want, and if you like these videos, give me a thumbs up to let me know actually that you actually like them and are watching them and what have you. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.